Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to create a game in Claude AI in 3 minutes. So guys, if you want to create a game, so first of all, setting up your cloud workshop. For this, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude AI interface. Log in with your account and create a new one if necessary. Create a new conversation to begin your game creation project. Ensure you are using the latest available cloud model for optimal result, and prepare a clear mental outline of your game idea before prompting. Okay, another thing is, guys, prompting from for game concept and rules. Clearly state your desired game genre and core theme in your initial prompt. Ask Cloud to generate a basic game concept including the paper goal. Request the specific game mechanism, victory conditions, and player interaction. Provide any specific constant or the inspiration you have in mind. Then prompt Cloud to write out the game rules in a structured readable format. Okay. After that, iterating and refining gameplay. So review the Cloud initial output for the clarity and the engaging idea. Provide the specific feedback to the Cloud on the rules you want to change or add, and ask Cloud to expand on the particular game element or introduce a feature. Request alternatively mechanism or the different ways to achieve your game objective. Then guys, continue and refining the prompts until the game rules feels complete and balanced. Then guys, testing your AI generated game. So ask your Cloud to simulate a few games turns acting as a player. Then analyze the simulated outcome and identify any rule ambition or flaws. Then prompts the Cloud to clarify or just rule based on these pre-test insights. Considered playing through the game variable with the friends using the Cloud's rules. Document any area needed the further refinement for the future iteration. Tips for the successful AI games: be highly specify your initial prompts to guide your AI. Break down the complex idea into the smaller and manageable requests. Use follow up the prompts to iterate and build upon the previous responsive. Experiment with the different gens and rule sets to explore the possibilities. Save your effective prompts chains to reuse for the further future game project. And don't be afraid to scrap an idea and start fresh if it is. Okay, so these are the things that you can try. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.